Hi, this is Hemalata, Assistant Professor, PG and Research, Department of Computer Science, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. In this video, I am going to explain about the concept of virtual function in C++. Introduction about virtual function. A virtual function is a member function which is declared within a base class and is redefined by a derived class. That means overridden. Overridden means function prototype and function name also same in base class and also the derived class. When user refer to a derived class object using a pointer or a reference to the base class, user can call a virtual function for that object and execute the derived class version of the function. Functions are declared within a virtual keyword in base class. This is the syntax for declaring a virtual function. In base class, a member functions declared within a keyword, declared with a keyword virtual. Rules for virtual functions. Virtual functions cannot be static members. They are accessed through object pointers only. They can be a friend or another class. A virtual function must be defined in the base class. A virtual function should be accessed using pointer or reference of base class type to achieve runtime polymorphism. The prototype of virtual functions should be the same in the base as well as derived class. Prototype in the sense a return type and the number of parameter should be same. Let us see an example for virtual function. Here we have to include the header file, basic header files for input output. Here I am going to use two classes. One is base class, another one is derived class. Base class name is A. In this class, I am going to declare one member function, public section. Return type is what? Function name is print. In this function, just print a text base class on the screen. So I'm going to declare this function as a virtual. Here I'm going to declare this function as a virtual, so you can able to redefine this function with the same prototype in derived class. Here I am going to create a derived class. Class name is B. B is a derived class. I am using public access specifier. Base class is A. Function return type is what? We should use virtual keyword in only a base class, not in the derived class. Here we have to use only function return type and function name. Here never use virtual keyword in derived class. In this member function, we are going to print a text like derived class. Now we have to create object for derived and also the base class in the main function. Now I am going to declare a main function with the keyword main. I am not going to use any local variable. First I am going to create object x for access print function which is declared inside the base class. So x dot print, function name is print. So this line is function call. Next I am going to call print function which is declared inside the derived class. For that I have to create pointer object for base class. Using this variable, next I am going to create object for derived class b. Next I am going to assign pointer variable of base class by address of the derived class object. Using this pointer variable, I am going to access the print function in a derived class. Now I am going to compile this program. 0 errors and 0 warning. After that I have to execute this program. First print function in a base class, print a text base class. After that I called print function in a derived class which display derived class. So this is a concept of virtual function. Virtual function in the sense a member function declared in a base class, that function can able to be defined in a derived class. This is the concept of virtual function. Thank you.